If you're tired of constant shaking, rattling, and noise from your machinery or equipment, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Yarssihha 4-pack M8 anti-vibration rubber isolator mounts. These compact but powerful components promise to tame vibration, reduce noise, and protect your gear. Let's break down every detail to see if they live up to the hype. First, the specs. Each rubber isolator has a rubber diameter of 1.18 inches or 30 millimeters and a height of 0.79 inches, that's 20 millimeters. The threads are M8 size, also 20 millimeters long. Overall height with both studs is 2.36 inches or 60 millimeters. The rubber hardness is 60 Shore A with a plus or minus 5 tolerance. That's a medium soft durometer, ideal for absorbing moderate vibrations without being too soft or too stiff. What really sets these mounts apart is their construction. The design uses galvanized metal bonded to soft rubber, but here's the clever part. The screws at both ends are die-cast onto the washers and do not penetrate through the rubber. This means the rubber remains intact as a solid damping core. That's a big deal because it allows the mount to handle lateral or sideways forces while maintaining dynamic stability. In simple terms, the rubber does its job without being compromised by metal contact. So how do they perform in real life? Imagine an air compressor that makes your whole workbench vibrate. With these mounts screwed between the compressor feet and the bench, you'll notice a dramatic drop in transmitted vibration. The rubber absorbs energy, so your workspace stays quieter and your gear suffers less wear. The same applies to diesel engines, electric motors, water pumps, and even home appliances like washing machines. Users report a clear reduction in both audible noise and physical shaking. Installation is dead simple. Each pack comes with nuts and washers. Just thread the studs into your equipment, add the provided hardware, and tighten. You can finish the job in minutes without any special tools. Of course, nothing is perfect. Let's talk about drawbacks. These mounts are rated for moderate loads. They work great on smaller engines, compressors, and electronics. But if you're trying to isolate a heavy industrial machine or a large diesel generator, you might need larger or stiffer mounts. Also, because the rubber is exposed to the environment, long-term exposure to oil, fuel, or extreme temperatures could degrade it faster than sealed isolators. For most hobbyist and light commercial use, however, they'll hold up well. How do they compare to other isolators? Many budget mounts use a through bolt with rubber sandwiched between washers. That design lets vibration travel through the metal bolt. The Yarssihha approach eliminates that problem. It's closer to high-end industrial designs, but at a very accessible price. If you've used cheap rubber grommets before, you'll notice these are far more effective at blocking both low-frequency rumble and high-frequency rattles. To get the most out of them, make sure your mounting surface is flat and clean. Use the supplied washers to distribute load evenly and don't over-tighten. Over-compressing the rubber reduces its damping ability. If you're mounting a heavy device, use all 4 isolators and position them symmetrically. Overall, Yarssihha has delivered a solid, no-nonsense vibration solution. These mounts are well-engineered, easy to install, and effective in most residential, workshop, and light industrial setups. I'd recommend them to anyone with a noisy air compressor, a vibrating motor, or even a subwoofer enclosure that's walking across the floor. They're a small investment that pays off in reduced noise and extended equipment life. Thanks for watching.